all, thank you to the banking community. In FMCGs, we don't have much exposure that how banks operate, but it's a pleasure to hear a lot of contribution you guys are doing. So coming to the Nestle, I think one thing I want to mention here is on diversity. We are doing very well. We are 32% diverse and we operate across Pakistan. And we have different setups. We operate in factories. We do have sales setup, distribution setups, offices, and all those things. The good part, I feel, where we are not struggling at all is that we have 30% senior leadership are females. So this is one thing where, yeah. Thank you. And this is one thing where I want to mention and I want to give credit to Ma'am Musharraf as well. So when I joined Nestle in 2012, after 2 years, I was heading this Lean In and Women chapter. And I got a chance to interact with Musharraf Hai at that time for one of our International Women's Day. She mentioned at that time, and this is where I felt that you can pick from any conversation, she said, if you want to grow this diverse network, you need to focus on the male champions of the organization. And that is when Nestle launched the Male Champion Network, and that actually helped us to reach to this diverse number. And this is my suggestion to all of you in your organization. If the diversity steering com is not there, make sure you guys have one, do it every quarter, and make sure the Male Champion Network is part of that. Despite of all other benefits like the flexis, daycares, driver allowances, coaching, mentoring, I feel that there are two initiatives that help Nestle a lot in achieving these big numbers. One of the initiative is Karo Etamad. So Karo Etamad initiative is that you need to believe in yourself. So this is where the unconventional career choices matter. It is very easy to recruit people for office jobs, but it is very difficult to recruit people, especially females, in engineering, at plants, and in sales. So this program, what we do is, this is a contractual program. We hire people on contract. We train them for a year. And then we enable them to apply for the open vacant positions, and the chances for them getting a permanent conversion is much higher because they are trained the Nestle way as well and also fully trained on the environment and all those things. In addition to that, we have another program which is Hai Tum Pe Yakeen, and this program is for people with disabilities. And unfortunately in Pakistan, the infrastructure doesn't support the colleges and all those. We don't have that strong network like we do have for ourselves. So what we do is, again, we hire them on a contractual position. We make sure they get trained for those jobs, and then we do the conversion. And this way, as of now, one of our senior tax manager is female. Another, there are like a lot of people with disabilities working in different remote locations as well. And at Nestle, the fundamental is before even we hire anybody who is differently able, we make sure the full infrastructure is already there. And that is how we sensitize the population that they are among us and we need to support them. The third and last thing which I want to share is the multi-generational trainings. I don't know if this concept is unique to you guys or you guys actually work on that. Usually when you interact somebody in Nestle, you'll ask them, aapko kitni der hogi? They will say 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. This is a very common answer you'll get from people who work at Nestle. And when you hire the young generation, the Gen Zs, 1 saal, 2 saal, and they want to go, and then these two generations need to work together. So on that, we invest a lot, and we make sure that they collaborate well with each other. And this is how we enable the culture, and we make sure that everybody gets the chances of growth. So to wrap up my thing, I want to show you the Nestle youth, you can say. So our youth initiatives is that we have, in last year, we touched point with 54,000 youth in different universities, diverse universities across Pakistan, across its different generations. But what happened there is that when we touched them, they wanted us to work on the employer brand. They want to see our EVP. And when I shared this concept with my Nestle population, they said that we want to create it ourselves. We don't want to hire people from outside to create a memento that what Nestle is about. So to share quickly what is Nestle culture, I'm going to display a video for you. They are all Nestle employees. The location is Nestle head office, and I think this is going to give you a good flavor of what we are doing.
Hello! We joined Nestle today.
Let's see बाकी का साल कैसा जाएगा.
Entering the head office. Check it out.
Here I get to be an integral part of different departments. आज marketing में, अब operations, फिर sales, and now I'm in Switzerland.
Having mentors like friends. Mr. Khan.
यार बाबर का करो.
Okay, Babar bro.
Just Babar would be fine.
Here I can work from home.
The lounge, this comfy beanbag.
Or even while playing video games. I hope मेरे manager को इससे मसला ना हो.
मसला तो होगा, but only if I lose.
And you know what's the best part? Every day I'm a part of something fun, a part of something fair, a part of something fulfilling. Join Nestle, where every day is as good as it gets.
From Nestle.
Yes, and at Nestle, every day is as good as it gets. So thank you very much for your time. And if any one of you feel that Nestle can collaborate with you and we can share any best practices, we can support you, feel free to reach out to us. So thank you.